Hey everyone, and welcome back to Top Finance. Earning money without investing money. It's risk-free and you'll be earning big bucks in no time. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 5 ways to make money for free. Make sure you stay into number 1 so you don't miss out on the opportunity to find out what could potentially make you hundreds of dollars every day. Number 5, make money from Instagram shoutouts. Making money from Instagram shoutouts is a simple and a fun way to make money online. The first step is to make an Instagram account. It's absolutely free and easy to start. For this method, you'll need to have the swipe up feature activated for your Instagram stories, and for that, you will need at least 10,000 followers. Here's how you can get that number. You can add hashtags to your photos so people will see your account and be more likely to follow. Then, keep posting often so your pictures can end up on people's explore page. You can also follow a lot of accounts so you have the chance to be followed back. YouTube is filled with tutorials on how to grow your Instagram follower account, so check that out as well. Once you reach that point, check out the website Shoutcart. This is a site that allows businesses to buy Instagram shoutouts. All you'll need to do is advertise a business on your story and use the swipe up feature to link the business site. Depending on how many followers you have, you can get $100 to $500 per shoutout. Build your Instagram and try it out. Number 4, start a free online merch store. Did you know you can start an online merch store without even being artistic? Yep, it's totally possible. How can you do it? Well, there are a couple of ways. Let's look at one website, Cafe Press. Cafe Press allows users to create merchandise to sell for a profit. The best part is that this is completely free to do. Cafe Press takes all the hard work out of online selling. Normally, you would need to buy a domain, then set up an e-commerce software and advertise your site. With Cafe Press, all of that is already built in. It is a pre-existing website, so many people already come to the site to buy merchandise. And anybody can use it to sell custom merchandise. Cafe Press is highly successful, selling tens of millions of dollars worth of custom merchandise. Their best sellers are t-shirts, but you can also customize hoodies, mugs, wall art, and many more. So, how does it all work? Do you need to learn how to print t-shirts? Nope! First, you need to sign up for a free Cafe Press account. Then, you can upload designs that you would like to sell. You can then choose which products you'd like your designs to go on. There are hundreds to choose from. Once you create your product, Cafe Press automatically creates a listing to go into their marketplace. Now, how will you ship it to a customer that orders your product? The great thing is, you don't need to worry about that. Once someone orders from your page, Cafe Press will take care of making and printing the designs and shipping it. All you need to do is sit and watch the money come in. This type of service is known as print on demand. On Cafe Press, you will never need to spend any money. You can set your own price so you are in control of how much you earn. Do note that Cafe Press will remove some fees for product creation, but the amount isn't that high. If you're worried that you aren't artistic enough to design your own t-shirts, worry not. You can focus on text-based designs. Think of a quote and find a nice font and layout. It's super simple. There are other websites similar to Cafe Press if you'd like to use multiple services. Redbubble is one of them. It works nearly the same way as Cafe Press. Number 3, create YouTube tutorials. YouTube is a great site for many reasons. One of those reasons is that it can make you a lot of money. In a month, you can earn thousands of dollars just with ads alone. This requires you to make an AdSense account, and you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours. This may take a while, so let's look at a way to make money off YouTube immediately. SiteGround is a hosting website that can host WordPress sites, small and medium websites, and more. With this site, they offer an affiliate program. That means you can get paid to advertise their service. It is simple and free. Just go to their site and they will give you a link. You will then add that link to one of your YouTube tutorial videos. The more views you get, the better chance you have. Make sure to let people know that you have the link in your description so they will click on it. Advertise their service too to really sell the deal. Then, once someone clicks on the link and buys SiteGround services, you get a commission. You can easily earn hundreds of dollars passively through this. Another great affiliate program is run by Adobe. If you link to their site, anytime someone buys a program through your link, you will get 85% commission from their first month of subscription fees. So what is the best way to approach this? Well, a great way to make money from Adobe's affiliate program is to find YouTube tutorials for Adobe products such as Premiere Pro or Photoshop. Then copy these tutorials, but try to make it your own as much as possible. Make sure you will get lots of views, then add in the affiliate links in the description and lead your viewers there. It's that simple. Download Adobe free trials and use those 7 days to film lots of different kinds of tutorial videos. To help with creating the videos, find a screen recording application such as OBS Studio, then use a free editing software such as OpenShot to edit these videos together. Number 2, create and sell your own video course. You might think that very few people actually pay for online courses when there is so much free information out there on the internet, but it turns out millions of people are willing to pay. In fact, despite all of the free information available on sites like YouTube and Google, the global online education market is actually growing. By the year 2025, it is expected to grow to be a $300 billion industry. So how can you get on this? Well, thanks to the website Teachable, it is possible, simple, and free. The site is marketed towards selling courses to users, so the feature to make your own course and sell it is hidden from plain sight. You'll need to dig for it a bit, so to do this, go to the pricing page. There, you'll be able to see all of the subscription fees they trick you into thinking you need. If you go below and read the small text, they actually offer a free teaching plan. Just sign up for that and you'll be ready to go. You can approach this in a similar way to approaching a YouTube tutorial. You can go to Adobe's website and download a free 7-day trial for one of their softwares. Then, in that period, make as many tutorials as possible. Record your screen with OBS Studio and edit in OpenShot or iMovie. Record voiceovers with your phone's built-in microphone, then make the video presentation look nice and people will want to buy your course. Additionally, instead of only having a 7-day trial period to make all of these tutorials, you can create unique courses for free programs. iMovie and DaVinci Resolve are both great free editing softwares that people love learning about. Figure out how to use those softwares, then teach about what you have learned. You'll be earning in no time. And at number 1, create your own Fiverr gig. Fiverr is a great tool of a website. On Fiverr, you can sign up as either a buyer or a seller. Sellers are freelancers that offer gigs for all kinds of things. Gigs range from simple things such as video greetings and can get complex like offering legal advice. The possibilities are nearly endless and you are bound to find a category you fit into. To start, set up your free account. It is just that simple. Just fill in some simple information and make your page look reputable and legit. Pick a profile photo that looks professional, then figure out what you would like to do on Fiverr. Maybe you are good at graphic design. You can make logos. Maybe your voice is amazing. You can make a singing gig. Whatever it is that you choose to do, make sure that you're willing to work hard to get it done professionally and on time. Once you figure out what you want to do, then make your gig. You can make multiple gigs, so you can utilize a myriad of different skill sets. When making your gig, you have to write a description, set prices, add photos, audio or videos, then set requirements. For your description, really sell your gig. Why do people want to buy from you? What makes you stand out? And what will you offer? Answer these questions and describe the gig in full detail. Then set your prices. You can either have one flat rate or you can have a tiered pricing plan. Think of how long you will be working and set your hourly rate. Fill in details like how many days it will take you to complete the gig. Next, you're going to want to add pictures, audio, or videos of what you do. If you are a video editor, you will want to add a reel that showcases your abilities. If you're a voice actor, you will need to add audio clips of your voice. Make this look nice because it is a first impression that customers will have of you. Then, edit your requirements. What will people need to provide you in order for you to get the job done? If you write scripts, maybe you need a plot summary. If you write music, maybe you need a genre. Think of your requirements. Then save your gig and put it out there. One order leads to the next, and you'll be earning anywhere from $50 a month to thousands. Advertise your gigs and earn even more. Thanks for watching. Click on one of these 2 videos on your screen and don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell. See you there.